Effective until 9.
The National Weather Service in Huntsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Madison County in north central Alabama, southern DeKalb County in northeastern Alabama, southwestern Jackson County in northeastern Alabama, northeastern Marshall County in northeastern Alabama, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hollywood to near Morgan City, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Scottsboro, Fort Payne, Rainsville, Little River Canyon National Preserve, Collinsville, Crossville, Sylvania, Fife, Hollywood, and Powell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Jackson, Madison, and Marshall.